This is another random review. Actually, this is the first random review, so I hope you all enjoy. Here with me today, I have the Crosman 357 CO2 air pistol. From a 10-round clip, it shoots both pellets and BBs at 435 feet per second and is powered by a 12-gram CO2 cartridge. This gun is great for target shooting, and it is fairly accurate. It is constructed with both cast metal and plastic. For a good quality air gun at a reasonable price, I recommend the Crosman 357. You can buy this in the stores for about $85. This one here I bought at budk.com for $45. This gun has gone through hell. It has been dropped. It has had beer spilt all over it when we used it to open up a beer can, and it still works perfect. The cartridge of CO2 sits inside of the handle. Simply remove the plastic covering from either side and place the CO2 in. Twist the bottom knob, but not too tight, or you could damage the gun. Turn the safety off and then have fun.